Someone once told me that if you want to be successful with your small business, you either need to be the first, be the best, or be different. I know I'm not the first person to use a Cricut, nor am I the best, but I am certainly different because I'm willing to share all of my tips and tricks that I have learned throughout my experience running my own Cricut business. If you're interested in learning more about Cricut business tips, project ideas, and ways that you can make money working from home, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's that big red button down below. Also, make sure you turn on your notifications by clicking that little bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. The best part is that you don't need to pay for any of this information. If you want to support me and my small business, you can do so by bumping into the YouTube algorithm. You can like, comment, or share this video to help it be seen by more and more people on YouTube. One of the first things that you need to ask yourself when starting your own small business is, how do I get paid? I've been using PayPal for years because they're safe and secure and it's free and easy to sign up. Almost everybody has a PayPal account, and even if your customer doesn't have a PayPal account, you can still send them an invoice and they can pay it without having to create an account. All that you need is their email address. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to send an invoice on PayPal. It's incredibly easy to do, and it allows you to accept payment first before making your customer's order. If you don't have a way to accept payment first, your only choice is to make that person's order and then go meet up with them and accept cash. I've talked about this in a lot of my other videos about why you don't want to do that. If you're making a personalized or custom order for a customer and then they decide last minute that they don't want it anymore, or they change their mind and they decide not to show up and meet you, then you're stuck with all of that personalized custom stuff that you spend hours and hours making and money on blanks. That's a headache that you don't want to get stuck with. You can show them a breakdown of all the different items that they've bought, the different prices, tax, shipping, discounts. All of that really important information is shown right to them, and it allows them to pay the bill. When somebody places an order with me, the first thing that I do is send them an invoice to pay, and then I'll go ahead and make their item. So always, always, always accept payment first, and do so by sending them an invoice. Now let's move over to paypal.com so I can show you how it's done. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is create a business account. Right here is the business tab, and it tells you about all the different things that you can do. So you have a small to medium business. You can sign up for free, offer a flexible checkout experience, let customers pay how they want so you don't miss a sale, accept credit and debit cards, PayPal, Venmo, and buy now, pay later options. Even allow customers to check out with crypto. You can accept payments online, get paid in person or on the go, take payments in store, marketplace, collect donations, so many different things for your business. So if you want to sign up, you just click sign up for free. If you already have a PayPal account, great, just go ahead and log in. If you don't have one yet, you want to sign up. You don't want to do a personal account because you want to be able to send invoices. So you want to click business account. So this is how you can go ahead and create a business account. Open your account in seconds with your legal full name, email, password, choose how you want to get paid, and start selling the same day. No credit checks required, just provide some business details and link your bank to accept payments. You need to enter your first name, last name, email address, and password. Now, since I already have an account, I'm just going to go ahead and sign in. Click on My PayPal. This is what the home screen looks like, so you can get to invoicing a few different ways. There's this invoicing button right here we can click, and then you can go ahead to create invoice. Once we're here, you want to go ahead and type in the email address of your customer. I'm just going to go ahead and make one up, Kerri Cricketer at yahoo.com. Now, don't actually go ahead and email me here because this is not my real email. We can type in a name of our item. So let's say we're making a birth announcement elephant. There is 2 of them, quantity, and the price is $25. You can go ahead and add a tax rate here. And then let's say we want to add another item. So we're going to make some personalized pumpkins for Thanksgiving. There's just one of them and it's going to be $30. Then if you want to add more, you just click add item. You can leave a message to your customer. Sometimes I say, thank you for supporting my small business. Some people also like to add like a return policy here. So you can say no returns on personalized or custom orders. If you want, you can allow a partial payment by clicking this button. So if you want your customer to pay $40 now and $40 later, you can do that. I don't ever click that. I do, however, click allow tip. This isn't something that I started doing at first, but I did find once I checked this little box, I started getting a lot more tips. And we can go ahead and click preview to see exactly what this invoice will look like. So when your customer opens up this invoice in their email, this is what it will look like. It has your business name and your full name at the top, the date, the invoice number, the amount due. Bill to is who you're sending it to. This is the items, 2 at $25. Personalized pumpkins, 1 at $30, subtotal of $80. Here's my note to the customer. Thank you for supporting my small business. No returns on personalized or custom orders. And then if they want, they can add a tip. Some people might do 20%. Some people might do $1. Some people might leave you nothing, and that's fine. If anything, adding the tip is just might get you some more money, and making money is always good. You can see down here that they can pay with all different kinds of credit cards, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, Visa, whatever those are. And that's it. All you have to do is click send. And this will go right to your customer's email. I went ahead and sent a fake invoice to my email address so I could show you how it looks when you go into your email and look up the invoice. So your customer gets an email. It says, here's your invoice. So you can click view and pay invoice. I sent this invoice a few days ago, so I already got a notification that this is an overdue bill. So it's kind of nice that they show your customers that. So you can see, guys, that was super duper easy. PayPal is a great tool to use in your business to send invoices and get paid. One thing that's important to know is that PayPal does take some fees. So if you go over to this business tab and you can click on pricing, fees for some of our most popular products. So you can see right here, PayPal charges 3.49% plus 49 cents per transaction. That's PayPal's cut for processing this transaction. There's different fees depending on the different payment methods that you take. So you can accept credit cards online. Our credit and debit card processing makes it simple and affordable for your business to accept payments online. The online credit and debit card transaction fee is 2.59% with 49 cents per transaction. If you take card payments in person, it's 2.29%. I don't really know why they do this, but I'm sure it's so they can get their cut somehow. They want to make money too, right? PayPal is not the only way that I accept payments. I also accept payments through Venmo, and I've used Square before. Square is great. I've used them at craft fairs. You can also send invoices. So I will be making another video about how to do invoicing through Square. Square also has this tiny little chip reader that's like this big, and it plugs right into your microphone jack on your phone. So when I go to craft fairs, I plug that little chip into my phone, and then I can swipe people's cards right through my phone and get paid. Getting paid is the best part, and that's what you want to be prepared for. I'm so sorry that I haven't brought you guys any new content in the last 2 months. If you're wondering why I have disappeared off the face of the earth and why everything looks different, it's because I just bought a new house. And I've been so busy trying to pack up the other one and put it into storage units and moving trucks and get it all moved to our new house and unpacked. And as you can tell by how this room looks, it's very bright. My walls are crazy colors because this house is like a rainbow. They painted every single room in this house, just crazy wacky colors. So we moved in. We've been repainting every single room. This is one of the last rooms that I have to paint. So if you have any suggestions on what color I should paint. Oh, hi, Maddie. If you have any suggestions on what color I should paint this craft room of mine, please let me know in the comments below. I am totally clueless on what color I should paint it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope to have a lot more videos coming soon now that we're getting settled into our new house and the kids are back in school.